Be kind and understanding. Every day holds the possibility of a miracle. Love yourself first so you know what you deserve. Take every day as a new day to be the best version of yourself. And it's never a bad idea to treat others like you would want to be treated and how you would want your loved ones to be treated as well. Also, learn to focus on what's important to you. Always make sure to capture the good times. Here's a quote that I absolutely resonate with from Maya Angelou. I've learned that people will forget what you have said and what you might have once done, but people will never forget how you made them feel. And also keep in mind that the best way to predict your future is to create one.